video, I am going to show you how to turn on your activity status, meaning that the accounts that you follow and anyone that wants to message you can see when were when you were last active and whether you are currently active on Instagram. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, tap on your homepage and click on your profile name in the right side of the screen. After that, you should tap on Edit Profile, click on Privacy and Security in the middle of the screen on this column. And here you can see the Activity Status section. And here you can turn on Show Activity Status by tapping onto this box, meaning that it will be shown when you were last active or whether you are currently active. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So basically that's it. If you want to disable it, just simply come back to this section and tap on the check mark icon and it will be turned off automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.